Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Creations and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I will be creating another ocean seascape, and here I have my 50 centimeter in diameter board and edge. I did put couple of layers of gesso to prepare the board, and now I'm going is my ready Arteza acrylic paints, and I'm just recreating the sea. So this is the next day, and I did glue the edge on top, so now it's ready with the frame. And now I am applying sand. This sand I mixed with just a PVA glue, and once it's dry it looks like it's dry for real. So I'm using spatula just to move it around and place it the places I want it to be. Right, the sand is gonna dry in about 2-3 days, completely dry. These are the resin inks and the white that I use for my pigments to add to the resin. And now it's the fun part, the resin part. So I have pre-mixed my resin and now I'm mixing in the inks, and I will go on with the first layer. Right now my technique is that the first layer that I make is just blue and transparent, so it's kind of base layer, and I'm not adding in the white. And this first layer is mostly about making the sand with wet look, and of course giving the sea a little bit of depth as well with the inks. And I did add these little sea stars. I didn't film it. It was very impulsive decision of mine. And now I'm doing the second layer, and this time I'm gonna be adding white and making the first wave. I did let the resin sit a bit for about 20 minutes because then the resin gets thicker and the wave definition, the 3D effect is better visible. So now I'm going carefully with my heat gun and blowing out the white. I'm doing it slowly, but of course here is all sped up for you guys. And yeah, after that I go over with a torch, and this makes more cells to appear. And then of course after I let it cure and dry, and I'm back next day to make another layer. So here it is, all ready. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it a lot and I really enjoy creating this piece. So as summer carry on, I am still obsessed with these summer ocean pieces, and next time you're gonna see again an ocean art. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!